Truck lights cut through the morning haze, rain-soaked tires tread the weary maze. Shipley drivers leaving home behind, hearts of gold, courage to find. Hurricane Helene left no stone unturned, streets flooded, lives overturned. But these heroes roll on through, bringing hope, making skies less blue. Angels on the road, easing the load, from the storm's dark shadows, where bravery has showed. They interrupted their lives to lend a hand, standing strong like a steady band. Families wave from sunken porches, candles flicker past the downed torches. Shipley's crew delivers warmth and cheer, turning cries into a grateful tear. Down the highways through the twisted pines, truck beds full of new lifelines, and every drop of fuel, a dream renewed. For every home, a promise pursued. Angels on the road, easing the load, from the storm's dark shadows, where bravery has showed. They interrupted their lives to lend a hand, hanging strong like a steady band.